Hello friends and professionals. Let's welcome back. It's been a long time I have done video. So let's try to understand this. This is a small update. So small update about document pricing procedure in SAP S4 HANA 2023 or any subversions till 2120. I know about this one. This is small thing. This is good thing, but okay. So this is all about the length actually. We'll try to understand this. Before going ahead, I'm requesting you, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel to get more updates like this. All these are the different set of courses at my end. Currently, I'm holding 4,092 for students and 760 successful reviews. Okay, this is a course about 100 plus hours. Apart from that, this is must done by all beginners who are in job trials and professionals about idocs learning and getting master to write functional specification. This is one of the perfect course before start your footsteps in real time, either support enhancement or implementation project. Pricing, I have a couple of courses. If you are good at basics, you can try this course. This is one of my top rated course. And transportation and a lot of other courses also. So one quick update. So all these are S4 and also I have few courses and STOs and rebates. Okay. So recently I have added one course. This is quite interesting based on the request from the students. Actually, I want to do a separate video for this. So support actions I have already explained in YouTube. Even you can get this. Apart from that, what you are going to get here, 18 incidents, sample incidents near standard, I have explained. Okay. If you want, you can give it a try, all these courses. Let's come back. So let's go to Vivo V8. Okay. So let's go to the change mode. For example, right, this order is war for creating the sales order. Like you have a different sales document types, right? So the document pricing procedure is A. You know that the length of this document pricing procedure, is single digit in ECC. There is no doubt. So probably SAP thought about that. Even I have seen my last project, last couple of projects, where you have more things more document types and more document type determination solutions. It's supposed to be get happen at different level, then it is not sufficient. So that's why they have increased the length actually. Okay, this is one good thing. Let's give a try. Let's save this. So ZORR, I'm typing this standard order. Okay. Okay, that's fine. We're good to go. Okay. So let's go to the SPRO and we'll try to check the pricing configurations. So let's cancel this. So let's go to SPRO, reference IMG, and let's come to the fabric module, sales and distribution. Okay. Here go to the basic functions in the similar way how you gone in ECC, price control. Okay. So let's try to do this, define and assign pricing procedures. Here, set pricing procedure, document pricing procedure. Go to the new entries. I'm just doing. Okay. So maybe like Z1. See, 2 digits it is allowing, right? That means they have increased the length. But this is for, wholesaler sales. Okay. So Z2 corporate. Like that, you can able to define. Suppose if they have different materials and different document types, a lot of restrictions are there at your business process, and this is how you have to think about that. That's okay. So now let's go to Vivo V8. Okay. What is the document type we have defined? JETVO RR. So let's come here. So instead of A, I'm choosing this one as a wholesale. So that's fine. Let's go to OVKK. Okay, first time you are seeing C, all double digits are also allowing. Okay, so currently it is what I have defined is ZC01 is the sales organization, and this one is something like C1. So let's keep this one as CC as my common division. Document procedure is Z1. See this? This is something surprising. A customer pricing procedure. Let's take any one of the procedure, no issues. This is my current pricing procedure. So this is how you know this one, right? So what I would like to specify is it is going to take double digits now. Okay. So let's try to ZORR. Okay. Let's take, this is already created. Okay, no issues. So I'm just entering one sample material. So now you can able to see this, the conditions. So, okay, this is all different story altogether, pricing and all the stuff. So if you would like to learn in depth, you can try my courses. Just I would like to give this good update. It has been pending for years to years. So you better give a try of this one when you already going to start S4 HANA. It's not a big deal. I have few courses. I'm going to launch my full-fledged course in another few months. Okay, probably like couple of months. If not possible, it's keep on postponing. I don't know. I have used 2023 version. I wanted to try. So due to my busy, I couldn't able to make it up to that. I have tried 2021 or 22, and probably I don't know which version I'm going to try to complete the course. But it is all mixed up, no problem. SD we don't have much changes. You can start your footsteps on S4 HANA Udemy course. Okay, that's fine. So thanks a lot. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And if you try my Udemy courses, it will give more benefit. It's last 3 years of hard work. Certainly, I feel that you can enjoy. Jai Bharat. Thank you. Have a great day. Good night.